Hey guys, welcome. Wait a second, something's wrong. Just wait. That looks good. A lot better. So I've been getting a lot of questions about this thing of the SGDMRC44 kit. Let's take a look. This one right here, the ratcheting screwdriver kit, and all the different things that you see in there. That PB number is not the part number. That is the part number for the case. The part number in these units is a SGDMRC44, and I believe it is F. Let's look. R for red, G for green, or O for orange. So that's the case. That's how they come, all shrink wrapped. This is what the green one looks like. So let's look, see what all we get in here. We get the ratcheting screwdriver. We get a little adapter that goes 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch. We get some longer adapters for your bit holder, a longer adapter for a bit holder, the standard shank, and then this one here is a bit holder for like a screw gun. You got miscellaneous up top. Next up, your SAE all the way down, 1/16 all the way to 5/16, metric up to 10, down to 3, Torx, squares. Check out all the square bits you get in there. Some Phillips bits, number 1, 2, 3. This one's cool, tire valve, little 1/4 inch adapter for your sockets. And then some flats, all in a nice foam case. Available in green or red or orange. My orange are all sold out, so I just have 2 red and 1 green left. But fantastic kits. A lot of guys have been asking me about these, so that's what's all involved in that. Got any questions? Let me know. Time has not been very kind to me. I've been super busy lately, so I'm gonna try to do some of these cell phone videos a little quicker. I can get them out maybe a little more often than doing the full setup the camera. I don't think the camera's moved. No, the camera hasn't moved in a long time. So we'll do this. Good to see you guys again. I'll see you next time.